Good afternoon. It is 3:50 p.m., December 5th, 2009. That's a Saturday. We are in the midst of a snowstorm. A nor'easter producing snowfall rates throughout most of the area in excess of a quarter to a half an inch an hour. These snowfall rates are scheduled to last a while. We have three things to tell you. One is about this storm, the other is about a couple weeks from now, and the other is the next few months. The winter's weather advisory is in effect until midnight. Produce 2 to 4 inches of snow. 1 inch of snow may accumulate on the roads for a couple weeks from now. Christmas and New Year's will either be sunny and dry and warm, or cold and snowy, and windy too. This will probably be in the form of a snowstorm. For the next few months, winter season looks to be cold and snowy. However, snowfall amounts will not exceed what we had last winter. The big wild card is the El Nino versus NAO factor. El Nino will be slight early and late, and throughout most of the winter will be moderate. The NAO will stay negative. So, the winter forecast calls for 10 inches of snow at best, perhaps maybe more, give or take, with an average temperature of 34.5 degrees. That's it for now. I'll have more updates for you coming up later.